What's the meaning of cluster? Cluster. Cluster.
Cluster. Cluster. Cluster refers to a group or collection of similar items or entities that share common characteristics or properties. In data analysis and computer science, clustering is the process of grouping together similar items based on certain criteria such as distance, similarity, or density. The resulting clusters can be used to identify patterns, trends, or relationships within the data and can help in making informed decisions or predictions. Clustering can be applied in various fields such as marketing, biology, finance, and social sciences, to name a few.